Hey everyone. Today we delve into foam rolling the quads. The quadriceps are a group of muscles that run along the front of your thighs from your hips to your knees. They play a crucial role in knee extension and hip flexion, which are both vital for walking, running, and squatting. We'll focus on one side at a time, so slide your roller over so it is only under one leg. Place it just above your knee and bring the rest of your body into an elbow plank position. You want to keep the core tight and glutes slightly engaged to maintain proper body alignment. As you roll from knee to hip, focus on controlled movements and patterned breathing. This will not only alleviate muscle tightness, but will also enhance blood circulation to the area. To ensure that we hit the entire muscle group, roll slightly side to side to cover the outer and inner edges of your thigh. Pay attention to the areas that are particularly tender as you move. These spots let you know that there are knots, otherwise known as adhesions in the muscle. Over time, these adhesions can cause dysfunction in the muscle, adjoining joints, and eventually lead to joint pain. When you find them, pause and perform dynamic movements by bending and straightening your leg a couple times. This action is going to help break up the adhesions, which will promote better muscle function and reduce your risk of injury. Excessive tightness in your quads can lead to issues like runner's knee or an imbalance in your hips. Foam rolling is not only about relief, but also about preventative care. If foam rolling is prep for a workout, take about 60 seconds on each side. If you're doing this as part of your mobility and preventative care routine, feel free to extend the time as you need.